Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're going over Apple's Find My app, a powerful tool that helps you locate devices, share your location, and even manage items like AirTags. Let's start with a quick overview of what Find My can do. With Find My you can share your location with friends and family, locate your Apple devices, and get alerts if you leave something behind. If you haven't turned on the Find My app, simply go to the settings, scroll down to apps, and look for Find My. Tap on it and turn on your location. Either set it to ask next time or while using the app. Now open the Find My app and tap the Items tab. Here you can add an item, like an AirTag. And if the item is nearby you can play a sound or find nearby to locate it precisely. You can add people to your Find My to always see their location. If you open Find My on another Apple device signed in with your Apple ID, or use a family member's device, you can see where all your devices are. Simply type the Devices tab. You can select the device and play a sound if it's nearby. For a long distance location, you can use directions to open maps and get directions straight to your device. Remember to regularly update your iOS, this will keep location accuracy high. Get an alert if you accidentally leave an item behind by turning on Notify when left behind. Regularly review who can see your location to maintain privacy, and you can temporarily pause location sharing if you need a bit of off-the-grid time.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.